So I went to a new sale today and I found these 12 Mottled Houdans, which I have 10 coming, but this puts me a month and a half early. We literally just got home, so I haven't even had a chance to get their light up or anything. These kind of look like they're about a week old, because they've got, you can see, they got little feather tips to them. So they look about a week old. Look at them babies! Look at them babies! Get your head out of there. So anyways, this is my new ones. Literally just got home with them. Well, I got the light on them, and they're cool. They're kind of cool, but they're fussing at each other right now. I was reading somewhere today. These are older. They're probably about a week and a half old. But somebody was saying for Polish, here, that red light sure changes it. For Polish, if their little butt feathers grow first, they're a girl. And if you look, see, you can see little butt feathers. This one ain't got no butt feathers. That one's got butt feathers. It looks like it's about 7 to 3. It's got to be more than that, because I got 12. But I need boys, so that's awesome. They're so cute. They're just so cute. And see, they've got knots on the, they got spots on their head, spots on their forehead, and they have 5 toes. Oops, sorry. 5 toes, and that is a Mottled Houdan. And if you look at the yellow on them, it's more orangey than like the peach fuzz for the white ones. Get down, Cola Bear. And Miss Cola thinks they're chew toys, which they're not. But I just got them home, trying to get them warmed up. I gotta grab my light and go finish. Hey, that's mean. Did you see what that bird just did? He just like ripped the feathers out of the other chick. Holy crap. Anyways, I gotta go check on my others. And I know these guys sound stressed. They are. I just got them home. So, that's my newest. Hopefully we got a couple boys. Even better if we got 3 boys. I still got 10 more coming, but this puts me 6 weeks ahead. Actually 7 weeks ahead, because I'm pretty sure these babies are a week to 2 weeks old. So 7, 8 weeks ahead. I'm almost 2 months ahead of what I would have been.